Ang pamilya Villar umaasang ibabasura ng Department of Justice ang reklamong isinampa ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban sa kanila. Kaugnay niyan, may nagkalapang report si Bombo Grant Hilario.
Nanindigan ang pamilya Villar na wala silang ginawang mali sa kabilang nakarap sa Department of Justice matapos ang isinagawang preliminary investigation ukol sa mga reklamo. Iginit ni Attorney Robel Lumibawa, abogado ng mga Villar at kumpanya nito, na walang nilabag sa batas ang kanyang mga kliyente. Aniyaya, ang kanilang pagdalo sa naganap na pagdinig ng prosekusyon ay layon linisin at pabulaanan ang mga aligasyon at paratang ibinabato sa mga Villar. Kung maalala, naghain ng reklamong market manipulation, insider trading at misleading disclosures ang Securities and Exchange Commission sa Kagurana. Laban nito kina former Senators Manny at Cynthia Villar, Senators Mark at Camille Villar, Villar Land Holdings and Corporation at iba pa.
Aming pananaw para po sa Villar Land Holdings Corp at yung mga individual na directors at officers, we maintain that they did not commit any wrongdoing. And we also would like to thank the DOJ panel because as we told them, we will fully cooperate to a fair and impartial investigation, one that is grounded in due process and one that respects the rights of individuals. So we are here to clear the name of the company and clear the name of the directors and officers impleaded in this case.
Kaugnay nito, kanyang ibinahagi na panalangin at umaasa ang kampo ng mga Villar na tuluyang ibabasura na lamang ng prosekusyon ang mga reklamo.
Yun po ang aming panalangin, yun po ang aming hinahangad na sana po sa dulo ay mapanigan kami ng panel at madispis po yung kaso laban sa kanila.
Naniniwala naman si Senador Mark Villar na walang matibay na batayan o ebidensyang makapagsasabi na may nilabag ito sa batas o intensyon makapanloko. Ito mismo ang ibinahagi ng kanyang abogado na si Attorney Regine Peralta Abrera.
Basically, he denies any wrongdoing. All actions were made in good faith and to ensure transparency. There's absolutely no evidence of fraud or intent to defraud. Definitely, he's confident that a fair review of the facts and evidence will show that the charges against him have no basis.
Paglilinaw ni Senior Deputy State Prosecutor Peter Ong na maaga pa o premature para sabihin mababasura lamang ang mga reklamong inihain ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban sa pamilya Villar.
Kung madidismiss ang kaso, it's premature for me to say sa ngayon. Magre-reply, hindi ko pa nababasa yung kanilang counter affidavit except yung nanumpa sila sa amin, so I really don't know yung gist ng defense sila. I cannot even recall ko anong sinabi ng mag-asawa, ng parents, except yung prayer kanina, tinitingnan ko lang parang dismiss. So I cannot comment on the hope nila na ma-dismiss. It's premature, but we are always fair even if they will not say it. I'm known here, I'm very fair.
Mula dito sa Department of Justice, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.